साहिल पता है कहाँ है? साहिल पता है कहाँ है?
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ.
Power on. Pairing. Line in. Mode.
कलर करवा है
पर टीचर ने तो हमारे
आमा नवा क्लेमेंसी कड़ी बैकग्राउंड में जूनिया Can you mute everyone?
Sure.
આ 12 મિનિટ શું કરવાનું ફરીથી જો હોય તો હા એ જો
Hi. நீ எந்த டேபிள் உட்கார்ந்து Ma'am, can you mute everyone?
એવું કરી દઉં યા તો આમાંય કરી જો કેમ કે આ મને છે ને એવું આ કેવી રીતે હતું ખબર છે કે ભાઈ આમાં એ લોકો ઝૂમ ની ડિટેલ શેર નથી કરતા આપણે ઝૂમ ઓપન થયું એટલે એનું રેકોર્ડ થઈ ગયું હા
नविका है नाम। मैं क्या करूँ आज मेरी कैलकुलेट क्लास की स्टूडेंट को बता
આમાં છે ખરું ઝૂમ એક કર્યું હતું ને તે
ना प्लीज क्लास एंड होने से पहले बदल दियो क्यों
कर दे
पर लेकिन मुझे तो याद ही रहेगा
પણ
इसलिए।
हरिया
अभी याद है इसलिए कह रही हूँ प्लीज मत बदल। क्यों मिनी नहीं मिनी सिर्फ मिनी माउस नहीं डाल मिनी माउस डाल सिर्फ मिनी मिनी हाउस डाल तो हाउस हाउस मिनी एवरीवन
ये
O U S H O U
मीटिंग आईडी बोलो 225
ये तो अपने को मारे ना अच्छा
261
जिंदाबाद
9994 हाँ અને પાસકોડ 12345 हाँ
मिनी हाउस। आप ना इसके आगे काम करो तो क्या गिरा दो 6
गुड इवनिंग मैम
9 है नहीं मैम काफी
कोई
है
बच्चों को बोल
मैंने नहीं मिनी हाउस डाल दिया ना।
12345
ड्यूटी करते नाम कर दो पूरी क्या बोले गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स सारे कंट्रोल अपने पास ले लिए कोई बोला गुड इवनिंग मैम गुड इवनिंग कोई कलर गुड इवनिंग पिंक का शेड है येलो का शेड है ब्लू का शेड है और ना रेड का गुड इवनिंग मैम रेड का शेड है गुड इवनिंग आते चते कुछ कौन सा कलर है रेड का शेड रेड दे फिर रेड का शेड देगा माने गुड इवनिंग मैम
ले ले
मैं सच्ची में शेरशानी खुद से अपनी छोटी बना लेती हूँ पर आयशा दीदी इतनी नहीं अच्छी बनाती आपको क्या लिखा है सेल्फी
वहां से तो
मम्मा ने दिए मेरे बेटे को नहीं देने
थोड़ा अंदर जाओ हम गिर जाएगा नीचे
बाकी सब बेटा
क्योंकि मम्मा ने मुझे सिर्फ मेरी कैलीग्राफी क्लासेस के लिए और सिर्फ कैलीग्राफी मुझे लिखती उसके लिए दिया। भूख लगी है खाना दो भूख लगी है खाना दो बोलो मम्मा मैं
ના બેટા અત્યારે મને જ નથી આવડતું આ પાણીનું નહીં સુધારવાનું છે ને
Ma'am, can you mute everyone? Good morning, ma'am.
સ્પીકર રાખીલા સ્પીકર બેકા છે લકા
Ma'am, please. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon. So not talking. See my drawing, everyone.
બેટા બેટા મથર કને સેલા નહીં
We can mute them. We can mute. Okay. Ma'am, today's drawing or coloring? Ma'am, please. Coloring. We can mute all. We can mute. Can you hear me, everyone?
Your sister is over.
वो क्यों आया है वीरो? Magic experiment just to use all hold and we can mute you. We can mute We can mute. Yes. Yes. Right? Yes. Right.
कौन बोलेगी?
I think please unmute all. We can mute, right? And now you can't mute. You can tell the ma'am. We can mute all. So you do know the I will not mute myself.
आणि fire.
I don't know. How will I know?
पेपर का कौन है वो
पेपर निकालो मुंह से। I don't know.
वो कौन ब्लैक
Sai Harshu.
One is pink, one is orange. कौन थे वो? Hi Arsha. Hi.
કિડનેપ થયો હશે.
You have to raise hand. You have to raise hand like your friends. इसका वही तो मेरा sister दो friends जो क्या?
કોની આવવાનું છે એમાં?
अरे यार ये अरे I can do. सबको म्यूट कर दे. These are the hole in the wall and magic. What are we talking? I work my whole life just then snack on the everything else on the ground. On the ground. Yeah. One was up. Nah, best running up the sky. I'm sitting on the clouds, super prominent out. But the big out, everything that makes a sound. Everything that makes a sound the ground. You are singing so badly. Everything that you know, what was up, this comes up now. You are singing so badly. Thank you. That song, I was just like.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Can you all hear me? Can everyone hear me? Okay. How is everyone? I hope you're good. So everyone is ready to get started with the coloring of Devi Durga. Show me your Durga Mata first of all. Wow, very good. Okay, so let's get started. And we are going to make her look so beautiful and very colorful. Okay? Yes? Okay, so first of all, I will pick up the eraser and I will erase all extra lines from top to bottom. So pick up the eraser and start erasing all these extra lines. Okay, so that we will get a very nice image. And now we are ready to get started with the coloring. Okay, so to start the coloring part, yes. So first of all, we will pick up I will pick up 3 shades of yellow color. See, these 3 shades you have to pick up. You all must be having it. This is this is yellow ochre, dark yellow, and light yellow. Do you have these 3 shades? If you don't have this, you can put orange. Okay, in place of this, you can use orange. Please switch to speaker's view. Switch to speaker's view and you'll be able to see. Screen is not visible. Vishagan, please switch to speaker's view or click on unpin video. I think you must have pinned the video. So click on unpin video and then switch to speaker's view. Then you'll be able to see my drawing copy. Okay. So I have taken these 3 colors. Can you all show me these 3 colors? Place them like this and then show me in the screen. Dark, light, and lighter. Show me. Very good. Very nice. So first of all, you have to pick up the darkest color. Pick up the darkest color and we will start doing these 3 lines. Okay. So I will pick up the darkest color and I will do it at the top. In the first larger one, I will do yellow ochre. If you are using brown, you can use brown. If you are using orange, whichever darker color you have to fill. Okay. In the second one also, in all the ones, you will fill it. And students, I hope you all must be knowing about our offer which is going on. I'll show you the image again. So, you can share with your friends and family members also, because this is a very nice offer which is going on. So I want all the parents to be updated about this, that this is available only till 15th of October. Okay, and it is a very cheap offer. And it happens very rare when we are giving this kind of offer. So please don't miss it. If you want to, even if you want to extend your plan, you can purchase it and you can get your plan extended by 6 months. Okay. And share with your family, friends, anyone who is interested to join, even the mothers, if they want to join our senior batch. Many mothers have joined the senior batch and they are doing great, because it becomes very fun time. They get some time for themselves so that they can really get refreshed by drawing, coloring, painting. Okay, so I'm doing the coloring in the outer line. if you look at it, I'm doing the outline first and then I'm filling the color inside as well. So it is very important. Okay, like this. How many of you have completed the first layer of coloring? Show me a thumbs up if you are done. Now pick up the dark yellow color, the second darker color that we had picked up. Show me everyone, show me in screen this color I want to see. Very good. Okay, so now we will start filling this color in the second layer. As inside, in the last one, we have just two, so we will fill it inside, okay? And this one also. And after completing this, first of all, complete the second layering. And after completing this, we will pick up the third one and we will fill it in the first layer. Okay. And you will see a very nice effect in the mukut. Okay, and there is one more thing that I want to announce about is that we are starting a promotional activity which would be done on regular basis. And what you have to do, you will have to click your picture holding this drawing, okay, that you are learning during the class, and you have to share it on your WhatsApp story. You have to share it on your story, okay, and then you have to click the screenshot and share it with us. And every week, lucky winners will get gift hampers from our site. Okay, so we are going to give gift hampers every week, but for that, and you will be getting so many colors, drawing copies, it might be anything. Okay, and we will be giving it every week. So what you have to do, you have to share these drawing your drawing, you have to hold it in your hands, click a picture, and then you have to share it on your WhatsApp and Facebook stories. Okay, so this is what you have to do, and you have to take its screenshot and share it with us. Hanas? If you want in detail about it now, you can WhatsApp me also, and every lucky winner every week will receive a gift hamper. Okay, so now pick up this second darker yellow and fill it here in the top. Okay, same I will do in this also, here both the sides. Here and another side also. Okay, so I have filled the color, as you can see. How many of you have completed this? Okay, completed till here. Okay. Now you have to pick up this darker color again, and in the top we have done it now, so you have to do it in the outline, okay, to make the edges darker like this. Right?
सब चीजें चेक करने के बाद लोका वो देख मेकअप भी सारा कर लिया मम्मी से कुछ कुछ और काम निकल जाएगा
Okay, so now I will do it the same thing here also. I will do the outlining. First of all, you have to do the outline. Okay. Okay, so we will do the outlining. And then I will try to merge it. Yes, we are using the yellow ochre color. We are doing the outlining and then merging it like this. Okay. Same, we will do another side also. And see how nice it is looking. Yes, I will share with the recording of this class. I will be sharing the recording of drawing video also. Okay. So you will receive both the videos. Very nice. Now, you know, in this lower part, I will again pick up these two colors, dark yellow and yellow ochre. And I will do yellow in one. And in another one, I will do yellow ochre. Then again, I will do yellow. And then I will do yellow ochre. Because, you know, this mukut, this is made of gold. So we have to show different shades of gold only, hai na? Right, like this. See? I'm doing one by one. The darker one and the lighter one. And now inside this circle, I have done the outline of yellow ochre, and inside I will fill this yellow color. Okay, like this. Okay, so how many of you have completed this? Show me a thumbs up when you are done with it. Okay. So now we will pick up this orange color and I will draw a circle inside this orange color like this. Draw a circle. And outside this circle, I will fill orange color inside this. But I will not fill any color in this circle that I have made, okay? This is a small tiny circle which I have made inside. Like this. Okay? Very good. Now pick up the red color and do the outline of this orange color. Do the outline of this orange color. And we have made an orange pearl inside this mukut. And now I want to make one more pearl with red color. Okay, so let us make another pearl. And to make that, I will again make a circle. Oops, a big circle. I'm using this color. I'm using this dark pink color and I've made a circle. And outside this circle, I will fill the color. Okay, I will fill pink color outside this. Okay, so complete it. When you have done, you have to show me a thumbs up again, okay? Very good. So now again, I will pick up the brown color this time and I will make an outline. Let us pick up the dark brown color. Yes, this is little bit visible and let us make its outline. Okay. So let us make the outline. Okay, so I hope all of you have completed it till here. Now let us pick up the orange color again. The orange and the red color. And inside this, you see this? We can fill orange color in the center of this. And then in both the sides, I'll do the red color.
Okay, again I'll do the orange color here. Both the sides. Again, I'm doing the red color just like I did in this part. I'm repeating the same thing here, but this time with orange and red color. Okay, like this. Yes. Okay. And after completing this, now is the time to fill the color inside the face of Devi Durga. So let us pick up this color, the skin color, and start filling it inside the face. Okay, fill the skin color. Okay, keep filling it in the face. And make sure you don't fill the color inside the bindi or inside the eye, okay? Very important. This is skin color. Yes, you can call it peach color also or the skin color. For all those who have newly joined, we are running a promotional activity in which you have to share your artwork on your WhatsApp story and you have to take its screenshot and share it with us on our WhatsApp or on our chat box with us. But I'll suggest you all to share it on WhatsApp, okay? And one lucky winner would get gift hampers every week, okay? So on weekly basis, we are going to send a gift hamper to the students. It can be colors, it can be drawing copies. Right, so I have filled the color in the face. Yes, Harusha? Unmute yourself.
Rhyme.
Okay.
Red, yellow, blue, green, purple, orange, black. All the colors are so nice. Angie, it's a beautiful sight. So many colors are inside the box. Just starting outside the so many colors are so cool.
Very good. Very nice. That was a colorful poem. Okay, so now I just filled red color inside the bindi, and same color I will fill inside the lips of Devi Durga. Okay, she has beautiful bright red lips and with a beautiful bindi. I didn't get you, Kiansh. Okay. How many of you have completed the skin color in the face? Show me a thumbs up if you have filled the color, completed the color. Okay. So pick up the orange color again. And now we will start making the details of the face. Okay. So I'll tell you how to do it. First of all, you see this upper part, this eye part, we will fill the outline. We will make an outline like this inside this part. Okay, you have to make an outline. I'll zoom it in so that you can see. Okay, like this. And later on, I'll try to merge it. Again, I'll rub the color so that it will get merged. Okay, same I will do this with this eye also. I will make an outline. And I will try to merge the color by rubbing the color. Okay. Do it. See how nice the eyes have started looking now. Do you see the difference? Yes. Same we have to do here also on the forehead. We are not going to make thick outline, but we will just rub the color, orange color, little bit. See, I have rubbed the color and it has started looking little 3D if you see. Okay. You just have to rub the color a little bit. That's it. No, don't do red color. See, if you don't have orange color, use light brown color, but don't do red color in place of that, okay? That would not look good. Okay, after doing this part, now we will start doing this cheeks part, okay? So, I will make the outline just beside the nose and below the eyes. Okay, I will make the outline of complete face from here. I will do it like this. I will touch it till the nose. Okay, so basically I'm making the outline of the lower face, complete lower face. I'm making the outline like this. Okay, and now wherever I've made the outline, I'll try to merge the color. Do you see where I have made this outline? I'll share again. I started from here. I did it under the eye. Then I made the outline here. Then I went to the another eye. Then I made it outside the nose. I closed the nose from outside like this and this. Okay. And I will rub the color again. Merge the color. Merge, merge, merge. You have to rub it and it will get merged itself. Okay.
Okay. How many of you have filled the color like this in the face? Have you done it? How many of you are able to get this 3D effect in the face? Come on, show me a thumbs up if you are able to get it. Very nice. Okay, so now let us pick up the light pink color, and you have to make it very light, or let us leave it. I don't want it to get spoiled. Let us leave it. It is looking beautiful like this only. Okay, so let us pick up this skin color and make the ears. You have to make the ears, both the sides. We have to make the neck also. So let us fill the color inside the neck as well. Like this. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting, completed. When you're done, you have to show me a thumbs up. Okay. How many of you are done? All right. Okay. So now let us again get started with the earrings, right? So for earrings, let us do the dark yellow color in the outside. Like this. And in the upper part of this jhumki also, we will do the same color. Right? Same, I'll do this side also. I'll fill the yellow color. And okay, like this. Now let us pick up the yellow ochre color and fill it at the bottom here. And this side also. Like this. Okay. As we had filled orange color in here, I will fill orange color in both the sides. So I will again make a circle in the center first of all. Let us make a circle inside both. A flat circle I've made, an oval shape, and then I will fill it. Then I will fill it. Okay.
like this. Okay, and for this lower beads, again I will fill just like we filled here. I will fill it here, orange, and I will leave one for red color. So I will do red color in the other one. Okay, like this. Same, I'll repeat this side also. Okay, you want to see the full view? Just a minute. Right? So this is my full view. Okay, very nice. So now what is left? Hair are left. First of all, complete it till here. Yakshit, what happened? You're okay? Very good. This is beautifully done. It is very nice. This is your first artwork? Harshita, this is beautiful. Yes, unmute Yakshit.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You're okay? You were looking so tired.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so completed. Your drawing is going very nice. Okay. And Vivan, yes, Vivan, let me come to you. Just a minute. Okay, so let us play a game again. Okay, let us play a game. Let us.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the Durga is nice.
Sorry, Vivan,
The
what did you
Durga
say?
is beautiful.
Yes, she is beautiful. She is very beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, so now let us play our fact game again. For all new students, we play the fact game where students tell us the fact about Devi Durga. Okay, whatever artwork we are doing now, they have to share one fact. Now the condition, the rule is that you do not have to share the fact which is already being shared by a student. So you can't repeat it. You have to share a new fact. So who is going to tell us the first fact? Tell me. Kian. Yes, Kian. Bharat, I'm coming to you after Kian, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Devi Durga is the goddess.
Yes, she's a goddess. Okay. Now is Bharat's turn. Okay, before that, let us pick up the black color and start filling it in the hair. Okay. Yes, Bharat. Bharat, can you unmute yourself, please? I'm doing the outline.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to sing a song by Durga Mata and Rama, ma'am.
Oh, yes, please do.
Okay, ma'am. దాశరథి కరుణాపయో నిధి నువ్వే దిక్కని నమ్మడమా ఈ ఆలయములు నిర్మించడమా నిరతము నిను భజించడమా రామకోటి రజించడమా సీతారామ స్వామి నే చేసిన నీరమదేమి నీ దయ చూపవదేమి నీ దర్శనమీయభిదేమి దాశరథి కరుణాపయోనిధి ముహుడు నీకు చుట్టమా గుండెలకు హత్తుకున్నావు శబరి నీకు తోబుట్టువా ఎంగిలి పళ్ళను తిన్నావు నీ రాజ్యము రాసిమ్మల్టిన నీ దర్శనమే ఇమ్మల్టిని కాని ఏల రావు నన్నేల ఏల రావు సీతారామ స్వామి సీతారామ స్వామి నే చేసిన నీరమదేమి నీ దయ చూపవదేమి నీ దర్శనమీయభిదేమి దాశరథి కరుణాపయోనిధి రామరస రమ్య ధామురవణీయ నామ రఘువంశ సోమురణరంగ భీమ రాక్షస విరామ కమనీయ నామ సౌందర్య సీమ నీరగర్శ్యామ నిజ భుజోత్తామ భోజనలలామ భువన జయ రామ పాహి భద్రాద్రి రామ పాహి తక్షణ రక్షణ విశ్వ విలక్షణ ధర్మ విచక్షణ గోదాని గలసనేమిరా ఢాన్న 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 నిరద ఢాన్నము నిన్న మత్తవే దండం నిక్కిని పౌర్ణీయ భయవ్రతమేదిరా ప్రేమ
Bharat, that is good.
శిక్క శుభంగరంగ గౌరంగ భంగ తుంగ సుగుణైక తరంగ.
Okay, it is very nice, Bharat. Beautiful. It is very long, but I'm amazed at how did you learn it? It is so long and sounds so difficult. Amazing. Very good. Let us all clap for Bharat. Beautiful song he has sung. And see, I do not know any of such long prayer. It sounds really difficult. Very good. Bharat, I'm sorry I had to stop you in between because students were messaging me that, ma'am, we are not able to see you. Okay? Okay, Bharat? All right, that was beautiful. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, it's Ramadas song, ma'am.
Yeah, and you sung it so well. Very nice. I'm really impressed. Very good. Now is the turn of, okay, everyone. Vivan, Ramu, I'm coming to you. But before that, everyone, please take a look at the drawing, what we are doing. And okay, one more thing I want to share that, whatever you are sharing, it has to be 1 minute, 2 minute maximum. Okay, not more than that. It should be small so that, we can keep coming to different students also, right? Everyone is waiting. So now let us fill the color in this side. If you see, I have filled black color completely. Vivan.
Namastestu Mahamaye Sripite Surapujite Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostate Namaste Gaudahude Kola Surabhayankari Saiva Papa Vedevi Mahalakshmi Namostate Saiva Me Saiva Parvade Saiva Dushta Bhayankari Saiva Dukka Vedevi Mahalakshmi Namostate Siddhi
Very
Buddhi
good.
Siddhi Buddhi.
Vivan, that is enough. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. Very good. Okay, very nice. Sorry, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
I know full song.
Yeah, I know you all must be knowing the full song. But you know, many students are messaging me. I have to unmute them also. Okay. It is beautiful. Good boy. Okay. So now I'm coming to who wants to sing? Nitara. Nitara, I'm coming to you. Yes, Nitara. Unmute yourself. Nitara, turn on your camera also. Turn on your camera. Sorry. Acha, it is not working. No problem. Continue.
नहीं पढ़ने देती थी रो रही थी बच्चे और अंदर
Nitara, I can't hear you.
अंदर जाओ अंदर अंदर
Very nice. Very good, Nitara. Beautiful. Now I'm going to Rishvik. Okay. Before that, everyone, please look at the image again till where we have completed it. So this is the artwork we have done till here. See, by making hair, it has started looking beautiful, Hannah. Rishvik.
Ma'am, I want to tell why Durga Mati wants to have a lion pet.
Okay, please tell us.
Before Navaratri comes,
Mhm.
Durga Mati goes to the forest where since she's going to fight a lot of rakshasas, she needs to get a lot of power, so she starts doing yoga. Then when she does yoga, a tiger comes in and protects her. So that nobody can come and disturb her when she's doing the yoga. That's why Durga Mati wants to have a tiger pet.
Oh, wow. This is something which we really didn't know. Very good, Yakshit. Rishvik. Very nice fact you have shared. Okay, Kiansh, you also want to share? Unmute yourself.
Astoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya.
Very good. Mrityurma Maya. Om Shanti Shanti. I think it is like that, na? I don't know the exact words, but it is something like that. Okay, who else? Shravya. Where is Shravya? Shravya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I want
You. Okay. Suhas. Suhas, unmute yourself.
Okay, so now I'll tell you what to do in the background. So pick up the red color, everyone, and start making an outline with red color outside. Okay, in by the edge of the paper. So you can rotate your copy like this and start drawing. Okay, draw it like this. Suhas, unmute yourself. At the top also I'm doing it. Okay, Harshita. Unmute yourself, Harshita.
Say
Yes.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namah. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Atadda. Then say no to me. Om Shri.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namah. Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Atadda.
Athat Dradashodaya Shri Bhagwan Duvacha Evam Sakati Yukta Ye Bhakta Satipasate Yecha Pachkat Mavyaktan Keshakte
Shri Bhagwan.
Shri Bhagwan Vacha.
Very good. That is beautiful. Very nice. Okay, so now we have completed the red outline and now I want to do the orange one. So I will pick up the orange color and I will do an orange outline just inside the red outline and I'll try to merge it. See, I'm trying to merge the color also, okay, like this. Okay, so you have to try like this. Yes, unmute yourself, Suhas. Okay, so this is how you will do it. Turn it around and like this. Okay. Completed till here. Lakshmi. Lakshmi, yes. Unmute yourself.
Pankajam Yana Yagna Sotra Vind Sekaram Krupakaram Narada Kasika Puradinada Kalabhairavam Vaje Bhanukoti Bhaswaram Bhavabditarakam Param Neelakantamipsitatadayakam Trilochanam Kalakalamambujaksham Akshashula Maksharam Kasika Puradinada Kalabhairavam Vaje.
Very good. Very good. It was beautiful. Okay, so now if you see, I have started doing the yellow color inside this. Okay, I'm doing the yellow color. And in rest of the area, I will fill the light yellow color. Okay.
and I'll try to merge it like this. See, I'll do it at the edges and I'm trying to form a circle kind of thing so that, you know, it will look like light is coming out. Okay, so just merge it with the white and our Devi Durga is done. So again, I want to share, we have a very nice offer going on in which you will get 6 months for just 2,000 rupees. So share it as much as you can. If you are interested, if your mothers are interested, your siblings are interested, you can take part. And if you want to extend your plan, you can extend it also. Okay. And with this, I'll wind up with the class, everyone. You all have to share your artwork with me on WhatsApp, okay? On WhatsApp, this is the number 7617410911. You have to hold your drawing copy and share it with me, okay? So I'll wind up with the class, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye.